Hi, I'm here today to show you some fun crafts that kids can do to decorate the house. As you know, the refrigerator is a place where people come and go in your house, and it's also a nice place to display children's artwork. They can see it every day and they can feel proud of it when they go to get their food or cereal or whatever. What you can do basically is let them personalize a this is going to be like a magnet really in the end, but they are going to be able to personalize it with either a picture that they like of themselves or their own artwork that they can draw. When my daughter was in elementary school, she drew a picture of a horse, and we had to send it off to a company and they made it into a magnet. But really, you could do something like this yourself. There are magnetic things that you can buy and peel off and stick to the back of a picture. You could go that way, or you could do it the way that I'm going to do it today, and that is to get some kind of stiff cardstock and cut it out the size that you want. Not too big because, you know, it depends on how many magnets you want to put on it, but not too big, I think. I mean, you can stick anything in your refrigerator as long as you have enough magnets or possibly even duct tape, whatever people go for. So you cut out a piece of cardstock, and you're going to be using Mod Podge. That's something that you can get at your local craft store too. It's just a little step above Elmer's glue. It has a little something extra in it that seals up things. So get some of that, and then the kids could either find a picture of themselves or they could draw a picture like my daughter did with the horse here. Then they cut that out. And then if they want, they can either draw something on the back, or they could use some of these really neat, fun papers that are out now, with all kinds of things on them. So what I've done is going ahead and cut out a piece that can fit on here. Exactly. It just depends on whatever you want to do. It's up to you creatively. They could even go back and paint on it. So basically all you're going to do is get your ingredients, the things that you want together, and you're going to use a brush. And what you do is you have to put a coat of Mod Podge under and over this. It's almost like decoupage. So you cover the cardboard, cardstock, I mean really anything that you want to use with the Mod Podge. Then you put the paper next, and then after that obviously you would put the photo on it or whatever it is that they're going to draw for you. And it can be drawn with anything, crayons, it doesn't matter. Watercolor, this stuff will go right over the top of it and seal it up for you so it doesn't get so much wear and tear on it. Alright, so you finish this whole thing here, get a good coat on it. Then you let it dry overnight. And it gets sort of stiff like this, which is good because it's got that protective covering on it. Then what you want to do to make it stick to the refrigerator is also, when you're buying the Mod Podge, buy magnets. You can get these in the craft section of any superstore really. And then you're going to take your hot glue gun. Be careful. I think you should do this, not the kids. You can put as many as you want. Actually, one would probably hold this in place, but I'm going to go ahead and use two. Now I'm going to hot glue those magnets on the back. And there you go. Personalized magnet to decorate the house.